Sometimes you might need to set restrictions to the number of entries of your payment form in order to maintain your business policy. WPPayForm allows you to set those restrictions into your payment form. You can easily restrict the number of entries allowed on a weekly, monthly, or an annual basis. To enable the form restriction feature, go to the WPPayForm. Click on the edit icon of the respective form you want to set the restrictions to be implemented on. Click on the form settings option and head over to the scheduling settings option. Toggle the maximum number of entries feature. Specify the maximum number of entries allowed for the particular payment form. Define the time interval from the drop-down menu. Entry restriction will be effective according to the defined time interval. Determine the payment status from the drop-down menu. Write down the message you want to show the users once the defined entry limit is exceeded. Once you are done with the necessary customization, click on the Save Settings button. Click on the Preview button to check the whole customization is done properly. If you found this quite interesting and want to have more resources on WordPress, don't forget to subscribe our channel.